up? It's your boy Southern Smoke back at it again today. So today I'm bringing y'all to know my specialty, man, oxtails. So I've been hearing everybody comment a lot saying, hey, is there any other way that you can do besides the cream mushroom soup? So today I'm gonna show y'all a different way. I'm gonna start off with some simple ingredients: salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. And I got some flour, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and season them up with the flour, salt, garlic powder. You want to use garlic powder now, no garlic salt, because you don't want it to be too salty. Onion powder. Hey, sorry about that, you guys. I forgot about one ingredient, Worcestershire sauce. Okay, now this is when I'm adding my flour to them. Just add a little bit, let's stir them around. This gonna give them that nice brown color with that flour. Brown them on all four sides. I'm gonna go ahead and take them out the pan. So I'm gonna keep everything in the pan, and I'm gonna add some flour in the pan and go ahead and make my gravy. My gravy no brown, I'm gonna go ahead and put some salt and pepper in here. So go ahead and add instead of water, I'm gonna be using beef broth today. So now I'm about to add a whole onion in. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my oxtails back in here. I'm gonna be putting these in the oven on 350 for 3 hours. We're gonna see where we at from there. Here's the finished product of my Southern smothered gravy oxtails, man. As you can see how amazing they look. The gravy came out just right. I can't wait to dig into this, but this week, you guys, I got something really special coming for you guys. I can't wait till you see it. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Peace out.